Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC to from your PC or laptop, basically step by step, even if you've never uploaded a short before. A lot of beginners think you can only upload shorts from a phone, or you need the YouTube app, or shorts are mobile only. That's not true. In 2026, you can upload YouTube Shorts directly from your computer, and in many cases, it's actually better and easier. By the end of this video, you will know what qualifies as a YouTube Short, how to prepare your video correctly, how to upload shorts from PC step by step, and common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. What makes a video a YouTube Short? Before uploading, you need to understand this. A video becomes YouTube Short if it meets all of these conditions. Vertical format, 9:16 ratio, less than or equal to 60 seconds, uploaded as a normal video, ideally includes hashtag shorts, still recommended in 2026. That's it. You don't need special upload buttons, a phone, or the shorts camera. YouTube automatically detects short. So, recommended short video settings for PC. Before uploading, make sure your video settings are correct. Right. So let me go to my files here and show a sample. Docs. Yeah, here. This is an example of a short, right? Make sure the resolution is 1080 by 1920. The aspect ratio 9:16, like this. Length 7 to 45 seconds works best. Format MP4. If your video is horizontal, it will not become a short. Always vertical, right? Now, where to upload YouTube Shorts from PC? So now let's upload. Okay, go to youtube.com, hit create. Make sure also you're logged into your channel on the correct account. Click the create button and hit upload video. And yes, this is the same upload process as normal videos. Okay, now drag and drop your vertical video file, right? So let me drag here, right? And then the YouTube will begin processing it. Okay, at this stage, YouTube already checks video length, aspect ratio. If it's vertical and under 60 seconds, it's eligible. Now, writing the title for YouTube Shorts. Your title matters more than people think. For Shorts, keep it under 60 characters, make it simple and clear, add hashtag short at the end, right? So, short, right? Examples, this tool saves hours, okay? Beginner mistake on YouTube, right? Hashtag shorts on both. Avoid long titles, short punchy titles work best. Now, description and hashtags for short. Descriptions for shorts can be short, right? You can write 1 to 2 sentences, add relevant hashtags, include shorts at the end, right? So just add shorts here at the end. Sure. All right. Now, example, quick YouTube tip for beginners in 2026. Hashtag shorts or YouTube tips. Right, or hashtag YouTube tips. Don't overthink SEO here. Shorts rely more on engagement than text. Right? Audience setting. Do this correctly. YouTube will ask, is this video made for kids? Right? And you can choose yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids. Okay? Choose no, it's not made for kids unless it actually is. This affects comment, reach, features. Most shorts should not be marked for kids. Okay. Now, the visibility settings. Go ahead, fast forward. You have private, unlisted, public. Okay. To appear in the shorts feed, just make it public or just keep it public. If it's not public, it won't be pushed. So click publish here at the bottom right. And now, how to confirm it's a short on PC method. You can confirm via video link here. You can see youtube.com/shorts. Right? Or you could go ahead and hit publish and see it in the shorts section. So you can see right here the link, shorts. That's one way to confirm. Or you can go ahead to the shorts section and see your short uploaded here. As you can see, we uploaded. So yeah, if your video appears there, perfect. It's officially a short. If not, check format, check length, check aspect ratio. 99% of issues come from wrong dimensions. Now, avoid these common mistakes. Uploading horizontal videos longer than 60 seconds, black bars on top and bottom, over editing text too small, using copyrighted music incorrectly. If YouTube can't recognize it as vertical, it won't push it. Now, why uploading shorts from PC is actually better? Uploading from PC allows you to edit properly, use better text placement, control quality, batch upload multiple shorts. Many big creators upload all shorts from desktop. Mobile is optional, not required. So, beginner recommendation on how often should beginners upload shorts: 1 to 3 shorts per day or 3 to 7 shorts per week. Consistency matters more than volume. Shorts grow faster than when uploaded regularly. Now, after publishing, don't delete if views are low. Shorts can blow up days later. Learn which topics work. Shorts are a numbers game. One viral short can change a channel. So now, uploading YouTube shorts from PC in 2026 is easy, fast, smooth, professional. You don't need a phone, you don't need apps, you just need vertical videos, correct settings, consistency. Master shorts and YouTube growth becomes much easier. If this beginner guide helps you, like the video, subscribe, and share with a friend. And comment below if you want something else to be covered next, right? If you want me to cover something else next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.